welcome to my channel. My name is Gloria Charles, and if this is your first time coming to this channel, coming across this face, you are very much welcome. I'm wishing you all compliments of the season. I hope you guys are having a very amazing festive period, and yeah, let's dive into this video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to export text from Dafont up to CapCut. So let's go into it. So firstly, we're going to have to open our browser, and you have to go on the search and type dafont.com. You scroll there and you look at the fonts that you want to use. I'm going to use this one and I'm going to download it. Once you download it, you open the download file. You may see it somewhere on iPhone. Is this Signal here? And then you just click it and open it. Once you open it, you have to click on the zip file and extract the file. So you have to click on it and extract the file. Later on, you have to open your CapCut. Once you get new video, you go to test, you select a video, go to text, and then you see a plus sign at the right. Once you click on that plus sign, it will take you to your folders. So you just have to go to the folder and then look for the zip file that you extracted. Once you click it, that's how you edit, that's how you export your CapCut. Thank you guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope this tutorial was very easy and simple, and I hope it helped you in case you didn't know how to do this. It's almost the same process with exporting your font into InShot in case you want to export it into InShot. See you in my next one. Bye.